Hi friends, it's Barry from Math Games, and today I have this algebra puzzle. If x minus 2, the absolute value of that equals p, where x is smaller than 2, then what is the value of x minus p? So pause the video and think about this problem, and when you're ready, keep reading for the solution. So we know that the absolute value of x minus 2 equals p, and that x is smaller than 2. So let's try and substitute some values of x to understand what's going on. Let's say we have x equals 1, okay? So if x equals 1, what is x minus 2? Well, x minus 2 is just 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. And the absolute value of that would be the absolute value of minus 1, which gives us 1. Okay, let's try another example. Let's say x this time is 0, okay? So we have x minus 2, then 0 minus 2, and then that would give us minus 2. So the absolute value of that is just the absolute value of minus 2, which is 2. Now let's take a look at the values here. Okay, so what's an operation that we can use to turn minus 1 into 1 and minus 2 into 2? Well, that is multiplying by a minus 1, okay? And that's the most important part, because we know that x must be smaller than 2. So x minus 2, the absolute value of that is actually the negative of x minus 2. And then we distribute the negative sign in. So we have minus x plus 2, or 2 minus x. And that is p, right? That's what we are given. So we want to find x minus p. So what's x minus p? X minus p, that is, well, we want to have x in terms of p. So we can put x to the right hand side. So we get 2 minus p equals x. Put the p on the left hand side. So knowing this, we can substitute this into our equation here. So we have 2 minus p minus p, and that is just 2 minus 2p. So let's take a look. Well, clearly our answer is C. And that's our answer. How amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.